The jagged edge cuts me nightly in my sleep. I thought the world would do right down to me when I was 17. Just trying to have a little fun, but I'm the trigger of the gun. The carpetbag has got my back against the wall. The target made on my heart was bound to call those things down. Was too easily persuaded to do wrong. A little kick was all it took to come undone. Just trying to have a little fun behind the trigger, you're the gun. Staring down the barrel, and when I'm looking down your throat, to find the words you lost inside of you, catch on the color of your coat. I just wanna tell you something that'll get to us. Minor Birds is up next. Thank you guys so much.